Hey, what's up people, this is Manan from Manan for Tech, and today I will give you a tutorial on how to create short links on PC as well as Android. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first what you do is that just go to your browser, any browser. In my case I am using Chrome. Now this is the website that shorten your URL, link is in description, you can directly open from there. So this is the link, and what you have to do is that just paste your long URL that you want to shorten and click on shorten URL, and it will shorten all the URLs like this. I have shortened as many to check this website and it works fine. Now for my case I will just copy my Facebook page URL and just paste it here, and then you have to click on shorten URL. It will generate the short URL, and this is the URL that you will get. Now you have to press Ctrl+C, copy it and paste it where you want to put it on. Now if you want to check that this is working URL or not, you can paste it in the link URL address bar and just click on Ctrl+V and just click on enter, and let's see that where it will direct. So it will redirect to my page only. So this link is working, and it will work in all your website where you want to paste it. For example, in the YouTube, if you want to paste it wherever. So this is the tutorial of how to do it. Now let's carry to my Android phone and let's see how this process works in it. So guys, we are on my phone now, and one thing you have to do is that just download the app known as Shortlink. The link is in the description. It contains of only 2 MB, so it will provide you to do the same. Just open the app and you will find the URL address bar as you will find in the PC as well. Now you have to copy your long address and just you have to paste it in the URL address bar. So, and you will find the shorten button, just tap on it and it will shorten it, and then you will find the address and tap on the button underneath, and it is copied one, and it will copy your link to the clipboard, by which you can paste it anywhere and check it how it works. So just do the same, open the browser of your any browser and just go on to the URL address bar and just paste that link, and just click on the search bar to search it. Just click on it and then wait for some time, and in my case it was my YouTube channel, so it works fine. So this is the tutorial for creating short links. So thanks for watching my friend. I hope you like this. Please hit like button if you like this. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to come, and I will see you next time. Till then, stay subscribed. Thanks for watching.